Well, g'day, and here we are again. It's weekend number 5 of lockdown here in the Hunter Valley, and camping out the back again. But this weekend we're going to be cooking something different.
Yes.
What are we going to do, Natty?
We're cooking scones today.
All done on the Weber.
Yep.
So we'll
take you through it and show you how it's done.
yeah. So enjoy, and hope everyone's staying safe. And cheers. Enjoy your weekend out the back.
Okay, so this is a very easy scone recipe. It only has 1 cup of cream, 3.5 cups of self-raising flour and 1 cup of lemonade. I also have my trusty little bowl here to mix it all up in, and then we'll cut it out with this round cutter. So now I'm just going to put 3.5 cups of self-raising flour into my bowl. Two, 3.5. Then we're going to put 1 cup of cream. And 1 cup of lemonade. Just like that. And we're going to mix all that up and cut it out with our cookie cutter. Now I'm just going to fold all that in together. You don't want to fold it in too much because it'll go too dense. You just want it light and fluffy. So make sure that it's all mixed in. Just like that. And now we'll take it out of our bowl and put it onto our board and knead it. And so you just need to put flour onto your board before you get your mixture out of your bowl. Just like that. Give your hands a bit of a flour too, because it's very sticky. And then just get your scone mixture out of the bowl onto your board. Like that, and then give it a bit of a knead to make sure it all comes together using your flour. Keep pushing it in just like that so that it all mixes around. It's very sticky, and then just flatten your pastry out like that. So it's nice and flat. So now that you've got all your dough all nice and flat, and I just popped in and give my hands a wash, you get your cookie cutter and you cut out your scones. You can cut them out to whatever size that you like. Cut as many out as you can get. So I've cut out 8 scones out of my mixture. So now that we cut them out, we just need to pick them up and put them into the tray. Okay, so now I'm just going to give my tray a bit of a spray with a non-stick spray. Just like that. And then we're going to pick up our scones and pop them into the tray. They're very, very sticky. Okay, now I've just got some milk in a bowl and I'm just going to give them all a little bit of a brush with the milk. So just brushing on the top of your scones, just like that. And then they go in a medium to low oven for about 15 minutes. And just like that. Beautiful. Okay, so we've just come out here to the Weber. I've got my tray down here on the bottom to circulate the heat around our scones, and the trivet there is on the top for our scones so they don't burn. And here we've just got the setting up on high just to heat the Weber up. Okay, so now we're just going to put our scones into our Weber like that. We're going to turn the heat down to, I would say, low, because we definitely don't want them to burn, for about 15 minutes. So now, just before you take the scones off the Weber, you want to just give your tea towel a bit of a dusting like that, because that's where we're going to put the scones into a tea towel, just with the flour. So it's just gone over 15 minutes and we'll just check them. And they look nice, so I think we'll take them off. Just take them off the Weber. Bring them over to here. Oh, I can smell them, they smell nice. And just take them out of the pan and pop them onto your floured tea towel. Oh, they smell nice. They smell like scones should smell. They're nice and brown on the bottom, that's perfect. Then you just get your tea towel and wrap them all up like that. And there we go, we've got 8 nicely cooked scones. Yum. How nice do they look? Little bit of jam and a bit of cream on top. Delish. Very happy.
Well, let's try them. And it looks like Ruby wants to join in on the act, so we'll see how we go.
That should be nice.
Oh,
Beautiful.
so a little bit of jam and cream,
Yep.
and absolutely beautiful. So, yeah. So another little easy recipe to cook
Yep.
on your weather while camping out the back.
Yep. Very easy, actually.
During these interesting times. Yeah, we hope you can all get out the back and enjoy. One day we'll be back on the road and being the weekend warriors again and bringing all these great places from all around the state. But for now, we live out the back.
That's it.
And bon appetit.
Enjoy. Bye.
Stay safe.